Dear students, we will discuss about the development of female gametophyte in angiospermic plant. The female part of the angiospermic plant which develops the female gametophyte, the female part, female organ is gynoecium, and gynoecium has the individual part of the gynoecium or pistil is called carpel. When one carpel is called, that pistil is called monocarpellary. When more than two carpels are present, that pistil is called multicarpellary. When carpels are in multicarpellary pistil, when carpels are free, that pistil is called apocarpous pistil. When carpels are united, that is called syncarpous pistils. The gynoecium has three parts. Basal shallow portion is called ovary, elongated portion is called style, and the upper portion is called stigma. Inside the ovary, ovules are present, and in the base is thalamus. Inside the ovary, the ovules are present. Ovule को हम कहवा मेगास्पोरांजियम. मेगास्पोरांजियम हम कहीं के ओव्यूल को कहवा. Inside the ovule, the female gametophyte develops. So ovule को हमें कहवा megasporangium, and inside the ovule, embryo sac develops, and that embryo sac contains female gametes. So embryo sac is called as female gametophyte. Then now we'll study the structure. What is the structure of ovule? Ovule structure केमिति. In generally, in most of the angiospermy plant, the structure of ovule, the structure of ovule is called as anatropous ovule. Anatropous ovule. This is anatropous ovule structure. मैं आपको तुमको लेबलिंग करके बताएगी. Different types of ovules अच्छे या पर सेक्शन में कहवा. The anatropous ovules structure देखिवा. The ovules are present inside the ovary, and the mode of the ovule is attached to the placenta, and in placenta the mode of arrangement of ovules in placenta is called placentation. So now this is called placenta. This is placenta. प्लासेंटा को जो स्टॉक टे जो ओव्यूल स्टॉक जॉइन हेची, that is called funicle. This is funicle. And funicle stock, this is the body part, this is funicle, this is placenta. Funicle body part of funicle ro jo junction point, that is called hilum. This is called hilum, and these are the integuments, and this is called outer integument, and this is inner integument. Outer integument, inner integument. And you have seen that some gaps are present. The integuments enter and arise from this end, and this pore, the space which is not completed by the integuments, that is called micropyle. That is called micropyle. And the funicles, it extends to the body part. This is called raphe. So this is micropyle. just opposite to it, that end is called chalaza. This is micropyle, this is chalaza. This is outer integument, this is inner integument. This is funicle, and the funicle and body part attach point is called hilum, and this funicle extends to the body part is called raphe. And this is called placenta, at which the ovule is attached. Inside the body part, so parenchymatous cells are present. Mass of parenchymatous cells are present, diploid parenchymatous cells are present. That is called nucellus. That is called nucellus. So whole the ovule, after fertilization, whole the ovule is converted to the seed. Ovule is converted to seed after fertilization. After fertilization. This is the structure of a anatropous ovule. Most of the angiospermic plant ovule, anatropous ovule, micropyle, 2 into bitegemic. Most of the angiospermic plant is bitegemic. Bitegemic means 2 integuments are present. In some plants 3 integuments are present, but in most of the angiospermic plant, bitegemic in nature due to presence of 2 integuments. This is body part, this is funicle, this is placenta. Funicle or body part to attach point hilum, and the extension of the funicle towards the body part is called raphe. Inside the body, mass of the parenchymatous cells are present, diploid parenchymatous cells are present, and that is called nucellus. That is called nucellus. Inside the nucellus, embryo sac develops. केमिति डेवलप होउची एम्ब्रियो सैक हमें परवर्ती वीडियो देखिबा. नेक्स्ट टाइम देखिबा डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ ओव्यूल्स तुमको टिके आईडिया देबी, किंतु मोस्ट मन रखिबो बहुत इंपोर्टेंट अनाट्रोपोस ओव्यूल याकू स्ट्रक्चर को मन रखिबो. तुमको परीक्षा रे मते क्वेश्चन आसीबो डिस्क्राइब द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ओव्यूल, देन एई डायग्राम करके त विभिन्न पार्ट्स बुझे कि लेके लेबलिंग करके ताको बुझे. ओके, थैंक यू. Dear students, now we will discuss about the different types of ovules. The most important is anatropous and orthotropous, but for your convenience, for the entrance purpose, some knowledge about the different types of ovules. The first, orthotropous ovules. You see, in orthotropous ovules, this is placenta. This is placenta, this is micropyle, this is chalaza, placenta, micropyle laying in a vertical line. This is called orthotropous. Next is anatropous, inverted. The micropyle is towards the on side, upper side, it is inverted. In inverted, this is micropyle, this is chalaza end, and inverted, this is generally anatropous ovules. In here, the micropyle and chalaza and placenta are in a 90 degree. This is placenta. This is chalaza micropyle. This is placenta. It is not present in an axis. It is right angle to the placenta. And micropyle and chalaza are right angle to the placenta. This type of ovule is called hemitropous ovules. Another type is campylotropous ovules. In campylotropous ovules, just like hemitropous, but just difference. the body part is not in transverse section. This is slightly obliquely situated. So the embryo sac present inside the ovule also in oblique in position. This is called campylotropous. Another is amphitropous. This is just like campylotropous, but difference is in amphitropous ovules, the embryo sac looks like a horseshoe shape. Horseshoe. This is not horseshoe shaped. This embryo sac bend is. It bend into a horseshoe shape. That is called amphitropous. Another is succinotropous. Here, totally the body part is round up and again to upper side. This is round, totally round up. 360 degree round up. This is placenta and this is body part 360 degree poon thare ei body. Micropyle chalaja. So this type of ovule is called as succinotropous ovules. But most important type for you is anatropous ovules. This structure, ovule structure, तमरा परीक्षा रे आसीबार संभावना 80% 90% संभावना. Describe the structure of angiospermic ovule. तो anatropous ovule रो तर विभिन्न पार्ट्स को तुम लेबलिंग करके ताको बुझे. So ovule is called as microsporangium because inside the ovule embryo sac develops. Inside the ovule embryo sac develops and embryo sac is called as female gametophyte due to containing female gamete. Next time, next video रे हमें describe करिवा how the female gametophyte develops.